Now this is a miracle of the Qur'an that you probably have heard of, but not quite like this. Let's take a look. Now we know that the Qur'an speaks about embryology, but how precise is it? Has it got its facts right? Let's take a look at what the Qur'an says about the early stages of development. It calls it the mudghah, and this word means to be chewed by something by the teeth. Now what could the Qur'an possibly be talking about here? I mean, if we take a look at a piece of gum, for example, and you chew it in your mouth, it would probably look a little bit like this. Has the Qur'an got it right? What does the embryonic stage actually look like? This right here is what we now know to be the mudghah, exactly explained in the Qur'an. And who could have guessed it? A chewed piece of gum with your teeth and the mudghah embryonic stage, like for like. Oh, but it gets even better. Wait for this. The Qur'an then mentions the stage of the embryonic development called the alaqa, and one of the denotations of this word is that it means a leech, a parasite. Now what on earth could that have to do with embryonic development? Let's take a look at a leech at the 24th day of the embryonic development. There is absolutely no way somebody could have guessed the similarities these two have. It could only have been divine knowledge. And you can test them however you want them to. They will always show you the same results. So once again, we can see that the Qur'an truly is the word of God.